Dear students, welcome to the class of construction 2. In this period, we shall study about how to construct the similar triangle to given triangle. One is bigger than the given triangle, another one is the lesser than the area of the given triangle. So I am here considering a problem. Construct a triangle ABC with 10 centimeter, AC 9 centimeter and BC 11 centimeter. Now construct the similar triangle to ABC, which is 3 by 5th of ABC. We have to construct the triangle ABC such that the area of the similar triangle is 3 by 5th of ABC. Okay, so let us see. So first you know how to draw the triangle. Draw the line segment AB with 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Now from point A, by using compass with radius 9 centimeter, draw an arc like this. Now from B with 11 centimeter, cut that arc at C like this. Now that point is, intersection point is C. Join AC and BC. Join AC and BC. This is the given triangle. We have to construct the triangle 3/5 of this one. So now construct an acute angle, any acute angle. Now I am constructing 60 degree. So any acute angle. Now with the radius from A, using compass, draw an arc here. So here 3 by 5. So 5 is bigger one. So we have to cut these 5 arcs. Either if the denominator is bigger, consider that one. If numerator is bigger than denominator, so then you have to consider the numerator. So here 3 by 5. 5 is bigger, so I am cutting 5 equal parts like this by using compass. Now join this O and B. Here join last end point to B. Okay. Now I want to 3/5. So therefore from M I have to draw a parallel to OB. So I have to draw a parallel to OB from this point, because here 3, here 2. So 3/5. So taking this radius and similarly same this from arc like this, cut this arc, then join this, then you will get here. Similarly, using compass, draw an arc here with the same radius, draw an arc here X, cut this from here, cut the, take this radius from here to here and cut this, and now draw the parallel, because you know that these two angles are corresponding angles. When those two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. So therefore by using that principle, we are constructing a parallel lines. So therefore here draw an arc, here draw an arc. So by using this radius from Y, cut here. So now these two angles are equal, so these corresponding angles are equal, therefore these two are parallel. Now required triangle is now required triangle is now required triangle. Once again I am showing this to make correct. Now draw a parallel like this. Okay. Now this is the required triangle. This portion I am representing this as Q. So now this Q is the Q is the APQ is the required triangle. Okay. So that is the construction. So now construct a triangle ABC with AB equal to 10 centimeter, AC equal to 9 centimeter and BC equal to 11 centimeter. Now construct a similar triangle to ABC which is 3/4 of ABC, bigger triangle than the given triangle. So see here. Now construct a line like this. Construction of triangle is same. From point A, draw an arc. Draw an arc here with 9 centimeter. Remember 9 centimeter. From here 11 centimeter. So these two are cut at a point that is C. So now join AC and BC. Now join and AC and BC. So now ABC is the required triangle. So now we want 3/4 of area of this triangle. So 3/4, 4 is bigger one. So construct an acute angle at A. Construct an acute angle at A here. Here. So now cut these 4 arcs. 4 arcs with 2 centimeter like that. Radius same radius, 2 centimeter radius. That point is K. Similarly from K to takes 2 centimeter and cut another arc. That is L. So now from L, by using compass, draw another arc which is M. So we require one more. From M, cut another arc at N. Now instead of joining the last point N, in the previous problem we are joining NB, but here we required greater, so therefore 3/4. So after 3, 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2, 3, so join this to this, and now here required triangle comes outside the given triangle. Okay, so similarly draw an arc here with same radius, draw an arc here. So extend this. So now cut with the same radius. Cut with the same radius. Now draw parallel line like this. Now draw parallel line like this. So this angle must be same because corresponding angle. Now again extend this. Now draw an arc here with the same radius. Draw an arc here also. because we are constructing the corresponding angles which are equal. So now cut the arc with same radius, this radius. Okay, consider this. Now take this radius and cut here. So now these two angles become equal, the corresponding angles becomes equal. Now draw the line passing through this, so which is parallel to the given line. So that is at P, that is at P. So now ASP is the required triangle. This is the required triangle which is 3/4 of the given line. Okay. So now problems for yourself. Make colorful. Construct a triangle PQR with PQ and 8 cm, angle 60 degree and PS 9 cm. Construct similar triangle to that of whose area is the 4/7 of the given triangle. These are as already I shown. If you any doubts, consult me. Here there is a small change to construct a isosceles triangle. So I think last year we have learned how to construct isosceles triangle. So therefore you are clear, I think. If you have any doubt, consult me. So thank you. We will meet on the next period, construction 3, in the next class. Okay, thank you all.